Hello everybody. Zaire, come over here and get you some of this. This is Val with Tasty Sensations, and we got a burrito.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
We're going to put some cheese. You can go ahead and eat yours. Yours is made. Yeah.
No, I don't like that.
You don't like this? How you know?
I don't taste it before.
Try that. Bite that. And let's see. Right? Do that face again. Say, This is Zaire. Look at Zaire.
No way.
Now, what is this you got there? You got a burrito.
What? No.
Let's see. There's some meat on it.
What? I want meat.
Try it again.
What?
Try it again.
What? No. Uh-oh. Look, it happens.
What happened? Oh, that's all right. You just pick it up and bite it. Not right there. Bite it like what Granny was doing. Like that. Just move it up. And it won't fall apart on you.
What's that?
Guacamole sauce.
What? Did you hear that? You're serious, man.
It's the only way to do it, I guess. There we go. Thank you. Try it. Let's try it again. Turn it over. Now bite it. See that? Got this at Walmart. Wow. That's spicy. I was going to put some jalapenos in it, but it don't need it.
I don't want some. I don't like spicy.
You don't like spicy? Okay.
My daddy don't like spicy either.
He don't?
My daddy said no. He don't like spicy. You is spicy. This spicy guy. I don't like it. Come on. Man. This is still not good. It's not pulled up.
Okay.
It's still. I can't do this.
Okay. You can get up. Since you can't do it, you can get up. It's messy.
What is it?
Put it down. Put this one down.
I thought this not gonna work. It's not working. I got made a mess.
It's working.
Book your free in-home consultation today. Call or visit bathfitter.com.
It's a mess maker. Everything is so soupy, that's why.
No. I just made a mess.
I made a mess too.
My grandma's made a mess too.
If you make a mess, just eat it messy.
Huh?
Have to eat it messy.
No.
See?
I'm thirsty.
There's your cup right there.
Oh.
Get your spoon so you can get that up. At the bowl.
I'm strong. I am a big boy. Got it.
Okay. I was thinking about how good this might be. I didn't think about how messy it would be. Mm-hmm.
No, we mess. Not a big mess. Ooh, that's good, man.
Lettuce, that's what I forgot.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Lettuce.
Yeah, what? I'm thirsty.
Okay.
Can you give me some water?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You want lettuce, you say?
You
said you want some lettuce too?
Yeah. I want some.
You like lettuce?
Yeah. I'll get the green ones. But, hey, that's not the green one. Hey!
Put it down, son.
Oh. Lettuce! Well, lettuce.
You like salads?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What Grandpa want?
You? Salad.
Wait till you get through. You're eating up the lettuce. You gotta close it up. Like this. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, you could try it. Here, hold it. Hold it with both hands. You got two hands.
I can hold it with one hand.
Okay.
One hand. Only one hand.
Maybe this will help hold it. You're going to waste that because you got it off the table. Bring it back over here. Bring your hand back over here.
What?
Eat. It's good that way. There. You're going to look at that.
I don't know.
Yeah. Sit down, baby.
How are you going to sit by you?
Hmm?
I'm sitting by you?
Why are you waiting, Zaire?
Cause
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting on you.
Oh, okay.
I said,
Just wanted to make sure that's what it was.
I'm waiting on you. I said waiting on you.
Okay.
I said yeah.
Yes, ma'am. That's what Grandpa was talking to you about.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I heard Grandpa.
See, can I pick it up now?
Got put it up.
Mm-hmm.
No, I said it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like a spaceship. Zoom.
Don't play with your food.
Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. Mm.
So you're on a ski vacation during a Christmas break?
Yeah. But it's a private school and the parents are busy, so I thought that we
Hello, Jake.
Ah.
that makes two of us.
So, you're alone.
This made me look.
Mm-hmm.
This I can.
You need to bite it right here.
Ah.
Thank you.
Okay, Jake. I am currently on my break, and I am thinking about hitting some new runs in the backcountry. Care to join?
Lead on.
This.
That was Christmas carols on the TV, so I had to stop it.
Mm-hmm. Will you even post it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Tell me, what is your Christmas wish?
Well,
Ooh.
have someone to spend with me and
Just maybe
If you lose all that,
thank you.
Hmm?
you eat all that spicy. I don't want one of those. You gonna you get those? Did you?
Mm-mm.
No. You get that one?
No.
That one? Oh, just that one? What's the ever you have? You and you. What?
See, when you start talking, you don't pay attention to your hand.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Well.
3 wells deep.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
It's deep clucks in you.
That's what my daddy used to say.
My daddy, I know my dad.
When you say, well, that's 3 well deep.
Well. That's
3.
Well.
3 wells deep.
2 wells deep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Those are so deep in your cup. If your cup is black,
Mm-hmm.
it goes turn black.
Mm-hmm.
Just like my cup.
Mm-hmm.
That's my cup right there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's mine. Ooh, look. Well. That's good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Man.
You through eating?
Nope. I'm still looking at it.
No.
Grandma. I like different cameras I do.
Mm-hmm.
I like my glasses.
Yeah.
They got glasses.
This has been a tasty situation.
Yeah, and that's in my cup.
We finna call it a day.
Yeah.
And before we put some of this on me.
Yeah. Yep. And me and my cup.
If y'all like what you seen, you enjoyed this
Enjoy your salad.
time with the grandbaby,
Yes.
click that subscribe button.
Is that a strawberry?
Mm-hmm. And I will talk to you beautiful people on the next video.
What
All of my
a
beautiful tasties.
video.
Bye-bye now.
Taste with my cup. It's got boiled water in it. Come see my best friend and my cup. And my cup, one of my friends. One of my friends. It's one of my families. Where that cup? Got one of my boys. And my family. You know.
That was a toast, I guess.
I know it's a toast.